Hello and welcome, this is Saurabh. In previous video we have seen how to make jQuery ajax call to web method in ASP.NET C# to save employee details parameters. In this video we will see how to make the same request by employee object. So if you have missed part 1, I recommend you to please watch part 1 first. So here is what we are going to achieve. We will pass employee object from ajax call to web method in place of string parameters. So it will show an alert stating that employee details saved successfully and clear all the text boxes. So let's move to our Visual Studio. So this is our application. First of all, I am going to add a class file named as employee. Add class. So this will add class file, and I'm going to specify our parameters like ID, name, and gender. Public integer ID. Now return that. I'm going to replicate it for our other fields, like first one name, then gender, and then city. We will have to change the name as name, gender, and city. We also have to change the type. This one is type of string, string, and string. So we have created our class file. I will go to our application and create object named as employee. Now we have to specify properties of this object. The first one is name, and the value for name is this. Second one is for gender, and the third one is for city. So we have gender, and this is txt gender. This is city, and this is txt city. Now we will pass this object in place of this data. So we are going to remove this. We do not need anymore. I'm going to write it as employee emp, then plus plus, and we are going to write employee. Now we'll use a function that is json.stringify to convert this object as a string. So json.stringify, we will pass this object this function. Now we have passed this as an object, and now we will go to our save method, and in save method we will do some changes, like we use our employee class here, and we will change wherever it is required, that is emp.name, emp.gender, name period city. So we have done all the changes. Now we will go to our ASPX code and we'll execute it. Now we'll pass the information like name, gender and city. So let's say as employee name, gender male, and city let's say Mumbai. I will save this. I will check this object. So the information is coming as an object city, Mumbai, gender male, and name is so. I'm going to press F5. This got executed. Now we'll check to our database. So information is there in the database. So now we will move to our application to add the alert. When the data is saved to the database, then we should have an alert that employee data is saved successfully. So for that, I am going to write an alert here, and in this alert, we can specify the message like employee details has been saved successfully. And now we will also have to clear the text boxes. So I'm going to copy and paste these text boxes from there. And insert its value as blank. That's it. So now we'll go to our application page and refresh the page, and here now we will insert any other details like for name I'm going to insert here Sangeeta, same, gender is female, and city as number. I'm going to press the save button. So the wire is hit, and if look, the alert is coming and it is showing that employee detail has been saved successfully. When we press OK, then the text box is also cleared. So we have achieved our required goal. So this is what we have done in this video. This is the method, save method, where we have written our code, and this is our web method, which is being called when the information is saved. And in next video we will see how to find these details in a grid. So thank you for listening.